Ichiyo's Japanese online lesson.
こんにちは、Ichiyo です。I represent Ichiyo's Japanese online lesson. I teach Japanese to non-native Japanese speakers. In the prior videos, I explained Hiragana and katakana long vowels. If you haven't watched these videos, please watch them before you watch today's video. These are the katakana vocabulary. I thought that these lines indicate katakana long vowels. The line is used only in katakana. However, there are exceptions. This is a hiragana vocabulary. There is a line that indicates a long vowel even though this is not a katakana word. Today, we'll explain some hiragana vocabulary that have the line. それでは今日の動画スタートです。
I'm an English narrator. I'll read the explanations instead of Ichiyo. I'm sorry. I can't pronounce Japanese vocabulary correctly. I'll pronounce Japanese vocabulary in English pronunciations in this video. Please learn that the correct pronunciation of hiragana is
ひらがな、
the correct pronunciation of katakana is
カタカナ。
When you read Japanese vocabulary, please pronounce them in Japanese pronunciation. Hiragana long vowels line in a vocabulary. These are the hiragana vocabulary that have a line. These lines indicate a long vowel. Using the line in hiragana vocabulary is unofficial and casual. Therefore, there is no hiragana vocabulary that has a line in official Japanese textbooks. We often use these vocabulary in casual conversations, casual chats, manga, TV shows and so on. Our language is closely related with hierarchical relationships. Using these words becomes rude depending on the situation. Unfortunately, judging from our experience, about 90% of Japanese learners use rude Japanese. One of the reasons is that they are not able to use the honorific language and non-honorific language correctly. Please learn which words are polite and which aren't. This word is read as
おーい、
it means, hey.
おーい、おーい。
It's used when we call people who are far away. This phrase is casual and non-honorific language. Please use this phrase toward your family, same-age friends or people who have a lower rank than you. Furthermore, waving a hand toward people who have a higher rank than you is rude in Japan. Please remember that this vocabulary and gesture are casual. These are the next vocabulary. The vocabulary on the left is
やばい、
it means dangerous, risky, crap or damn. It's a casual word.
やばい、やばい。
The vocabulary on the right is read as
やべえ、
it's more casual. The line is used as a long vowel.
やべえ、やべえ。
This word is not so eloquent in a non-honorific language. Please don't use this phrase in formal situations. We think there are almost no Japanese women who use it. If you are a woman, we don't recommend you use it. By the way, using an exclamation point is unofficial in the Japanese language. It's used in casual chats, TV shows, manga and so on. These are the vocabulary that mean awesome or amazing. The word on the left is
すごい、すごい。
It's in the dictionary and plain forms. The polite form is
すごいです。すごいです。
It's an honorific language. The casual form is
すげえ。すげえ。
It's a non-honorific word. Therefore, please don't use it toward people who have a lower rank than you. The line is used as a long vowel. This word is also not so eloquent and often used by men. If you are a woman, we also don't recommend you use it. This is today's first key point. Using the line that indicates a long vowel in hiragana is unofficial. Therefore, it's not used in official Japanese textbooks. When we use the line in hiragana, we use it in casual chats, manga, TV shows, product names, and so on. We don't use it toward people who have a higher rank than you. For example, if our students use the word with the line toward Ichiyo, it's rude. To use the line correctly, we need to understand the Japanese hierarchical relationships. Hiragana long vowels line at the end of the sentence. Next example is about
こんにちは。
It means hello.
こんにちは。
We often pronounce the vowel at the end of the sentence as a long vowel in casual conversations.
こんにちは。こんにちは。こんにちは。
We also often write the line in casual chats. Writing the line is so casual. The line indicates the writer's feelings. Please use it toward your family, same-age friends or people who have a lower rank than you. This is next key point. We often pronounce the vowel at the end of the sentence as a long vowel in casual conversations. This is informal and casual. We'll show you other examples.
おはよ
It means, good morning.
う。おはよ
In this case, the pronunciation is the same. The writing forms are different.
う。おはよう。おはよう。これは何かな
It means, what's this?
これは何かな
By the way, using question marks is not official in the Japanese language. We use question marks in casual chats, TV shows, manga, and so on.
これは何かなこれは何かないいよ。
It means, okay, or sure.
いいよ。いいよ。そうだよ。
It means, that's right.
そうだよ。そうだよ。
A wavy line in a word. Have you seen the wavy line used in casual chats? We often use the wavy line instead of the normal line. Comparing the two sentences, using the wavy line is more casual than using the normal line. The normal line and the wavy line indicate the writer's feelings. In my case, I use the wavy line to my family, girlfriend, and same-age friends. Please don't use these lines toward people who have a higher rank than you. We use the wavy lines like the above. If you can use the line correctly, your Japanese will become more natural. Summary. We'll review today's key points. These are the hiragana vocabulary that have a line indicating a long vowel. Using the line that indicates a long vowel in hiragana is unofficial. We often use these vocabulary in casual conversations, casual chats, manga, TV shows and so on. If you use these words toward people who have a higher rank than you and in formal situations, it becomes rude. By the way, the two words are usually used by men. If you are a woman, we don't recommend you use them. We often pronounce the vowel at the end of the sentence as a long vowel in casual conversations. It's also informal and casual. We often use the wavy line instead of the normal line. This is more casual. If you can use these lines correctly, your Japanese will become more natural. Unfortunately, a lot of Japanese learners use rude Japanese. One of the reasons is that they are not able to use the honorific language and non-honorific language correctly. We use these languages and forms in daily life. Our language is very complicated. Therefore, if you want to have correct Japanese skills, you need a native Japanese teacher who checks your Japanese daily and privately. If you become a member of our private lesson or daily Japanese mail support, we can check your Japanese daily. We want to increase the number of Japanese learners with correct Japanese skills. With the daily Japanese mail support service, we will check and correct your Japanese using email even if you are not our private student. The price for this service is 3,600 Japanese yen. That equates roughly to $25 US, 37 Australian dollars or 25 euros. Please check the rate in your local currency before making any purchases. If you want to know more about the details, please check out Ichiyo's Japanese online store. The link is in the description of this video.
それではまた次の動画でお会いしましょう。さようなら。